Now I'm digging up a grave for my past.
Guys, back in another video, and today this is an unboxing of my new keyboard. Yeah, let's get into it. So, my dad surprised me with it, and so yeah, it will glow up, and I'll show you some clips of it. And we're gonna take this seal off, and it'll be little. So it also comes with the cable to plug into your Xbox or PS4 or PC. So yeah, and it's just and this will plug into the back of the keyboard. Plug this into my Xbox and it will glow. And yeah, and it also comes with this thing. It's a mechanical keyboard, so you can take the things out, clean it, and it comes with this to like pick out the keys and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And it came in this. I think it's a Jazz keyboard. We've never heard of that brand before of keyboards, but yeah, it's better than my other one because my one was really big. So yeah, and it was £20. And when you press it, it lights up, but obviously I haven't plugged it in yet. So yeah, I'll do that tomorrow or later tonight. So yeah, and I will be posting clips on TikTok of me improving over the weeks. So yeah, go check that out, and I'll link my TikTok in the description below. So go check that out. I'll be posting clips of me getting better every week. So yeah, go make sure to check that out and get me to 3,000 followers. And I'll shout out the rest of my followers that follow me. Right, this is the end of the video. I hope you